In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GCash Not Compatible on Android. If you've been seeing errors or the app just won't run properly on your device, this walkthrough will guide you through a clean reset and reinstall so you can get back to using GCash smoothly. First, open the GCash app on your phone. This quick check helps confirm the issue you're experiencing. If it's not functioning as expected, we'll refresh it from your Android settings next. Now go to your Android settings. You'll find this as the gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Inside settings, tap on apps. On some phones, this might be called apps and notifications or app management, but it serves the same purpose. This is where you can manage individual apps on your device. In the apps list, locate GCash. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if your phone provides one. Once you find GCash, tap it to open the app info page. This page shows options like storage, permissions, and app controls. Tap Force Stop. When you force stop, you're closing the app completely so it isn't running in the background. Confirm if your phone asks. This step helps clear any temporary hang-ups that might be causing compatibility or performance issues. Next, tap Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall when prompted. Removing the app won't affect your GCash account or balance, but it will sign you out of the app on this device. You'll need to log back in after we reinstall, so make sure you're ready to verify your account when prompted later. With the app removed, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type GCash and look for the official app listing. Tap Install to download it again. Give it a moment to complete. This may take a bit depending on your internet speed and available storage. Once the installation finishes, open GCash from the Play Store page or your home screen. Follow the on-screen prompts and try logging in again. You should now be able to access your account without the compatibility issue getting in the way. If you're asked to verify, just follow the usual security steps shown in the app. That's it. By force stopping, uninstalling, and then reinstalling GCash from the Play Store, you've given the app a clean start on your device. If everything went well, you should be back up and running. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fix GCash on your Android.